Hi, I'm Dr. Alan Magaziner from the Magaziner Center for Wellness, and I'm here today. I'm excited to tell you we have Dr. Lisa Zimmerman, who's a specialist in Lyme disease and mold-borne illnesses. And Dr. Zimmerman, tell us about some of the different things you think about when you see a person who's not feeling well, and how do you begin to think about, should you check them for Lyme's, and what are some of the ways that you can diagnose some of your patients?
Right. I find a lot of patients who come to me with chronic fatigue. This is a very endemic area for Lyme disease. It's often misdiagnosed or underdiagnosed. A lot of the conventional Lyme disease tests at LabCorp miss the diagnosis 40% of the time. So I have to delve into their symptoms. I use some specialized lab testing like IGeneX. And then I really go by a symptom-based history. And if we rule out a lot of things, I really come down to, sounds like Lyme disease.
A lot of times it's strengthening the immune system with natural therapies,
Right.
and not just antibiotics, right?
Right. I really tend to only use antibiotics if I need to, but I usually have a lot of patients come to me where it doesn't work.
Or they've been on them already, right?
Been on
It
them
hasn't
already, they've tried it, becomes resistant to it.
helped.
And I go into a lot of herbal therapies, alternative therapies. I go into strengthening the immune system,
that's
just like you said.
fantastic. And how about mold? What role does mold play in some of your Lyme patients?
Right. So often I'll have patients who come to me that I'm treating them for Lyme disease, and for some reason I just can't get them better. We go back to the diagnosis board and look at, were they mold exposed? Because the symptoms are very similar.
Right.
And then we might have to do a whole mold exposure history and diagnosis, and a whole nother treatment protocol with binders and different things to detoxify the patient.
Absolutely. Great.
Right.
Great information today. I'm
Right.
thrilled that you're able to add this to our practice. And
Thank you.
we have patients that are so hard, their problems are so hard to solve sometimes. And I think that this will be a great addition. So if you have problems that you just can't get to the root cause and you're wondering about these things, contact us at the Magaziner Center for Wellness. Dr. Lisa Zimmerman's here as well as I am, and we're happy to investigate and be good detectives and see what we can do to help you. Thanks for listening today.
Thank you.